स्वागत करदा हां जी एक बार फिर आप सब दा आज दे इस प्रोग्राम विच. In the past few months, we have been continuing discussion of Japji Sahib in English, and it has been a great pleasure to be with Sardar Harbans Singh Kandola, who is a well-known community activist, and he works hard, comes over here and talks to us about what is the basic meaning of Japji Sahib. Well, the idea of Japji Sahib is to internalize the basic purpose of life, and that's what he has been emphasizing whenever he comes over here. So we had reached in the previous episode till Pauri number 35. So let's continue our discussion with Pauri number 36, whereby Guru Nanak Sahib tells us what he tells us is to become a good human being and to imbibe those virtues and not indulge in worthless rituals. But it is a matter of great regret that today we are going in the opposite direction. Whatever Guru Nanak Sahib told us, we are of course paying lip service to it, but we are not internalizing it. And the basic idea of having this program is to understand the basic concept of Japji Sahib and make them a part of our life. So let's continue with the discussion and welcome Sardar Harbans Singh Kandola. Ji Anu ji, Waheguru ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru ji ki Fateh.
Harpreet, we were talking about the journey from realizing the purpose of life to reaching Sachkhand.
That's right.
Now, Guru Sahib says in the Pauri 36, Gyan Khand mein Gyan Prachand Tithe Naad Vinod Kod Anand.
Ji.
The first step on the journey is to realize why I am here, what I'm doing in this world, what is the purpose of life.
Ji.
And then says the understanding, Gyan Khand mein Gyan Prachand Tithe Naad Vinod. Guru says the second phase of the conscious development is Gyan Khand.
Ji.
Gaining means gaining deep understanding of the message of the Guru, contemplating on the divine wisdom.
Ji.
Okay. ਅੱਗੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸਰਮਖੰਡ ਕੀ ਬਾਣੀ ਰੂਪ ਤਿੱਥੇ ਘਾਟ ਕੜੀਐ ਬਹੁਤ ਅਨੂਪ. ਸਰਮਖੰਡ, the next step on the journey, spiritual journey, is sarmkhand. Sarm means mehnat, mashakkat, self effort, contemplation, internalizing the divine wisdom, where the devotee drops ego, duality, attain virtues, surrender to the will of God, the hukum, living in the present, and Sikh becomes a person of higher consciousness and path of truthful living.
Ji.
Guru Sahib ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤਾਕੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਥੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਏ ਜੇ ਕੋ ਕਹੇ ਪਿਛੇ ਪਛਤਾਏ.
Ji.
Guru Sahib ਕਹਿੰਦੇ this state of consciousness, spiritually awakened, enjoy bliss, inner peace, extreme happiness. So he says that this state of consciousness cannot be explained, can only be experienced. Realized and
That's
experienced. We read before, manne ki gat kahi na jaye je ko kahe piche pachtaye. We explained that there are those who realize the truth, do not boast about it. This is not their own doing. This is but the grace of God. Here, Harpreet ji, I want to just mention two things. We talked about contemplation, sarm, mehnat, and then prayer, ardas. Without making our own effort, we will not spiritually be awakened.
That's right.
And when we are spiritually awakened, we do ardas. That, oh God, this is not my own doing, so that you don't lose one ego and gain another ego. I am become so dharmi.
Right.
Guru Sahib next says, Tithe kadiye surt mat man bodh. It's important to understand, as I understand in psychological terms, is that surt bodh, subconscious mind.
Ji.
And ideas are printed in our subconscious mind, where the sanskar bande ne. Film of our lives is played according to the ideas printed on our subconscious mind. Man mat means conscious mind. The conscious mind is observed, is influenced by outside experiences, and send the message to subconscious mind, and where our sanskar bande ne. Both subconscious mind, surt bodh, and conscious mind, man mat, are elevated.
Right.
The Guru says they're here, and we see good, we hear good, we read good, we company of good people, we internalize good, that form our personality. You know, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਰਦਾਰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੈਗੇ. Mind is a collection of ideas. The whole mind body work according to the teachings of the Guru Nanak. Tithe kadiye sura siddha ki sud. Sura ki sud means devtiyan wali virti. Our Buddha surt become completely enlightened, in complete tune with the teachings of the gurus.
जी
Then we come to Pauri 37.
जी
Okay, in Pauri 37, Guru is saying Karma Khand ki Bani Jor. And Guru says, passing through the phases of Dharma Khand, realizing the purpose of life, we reach Gyan Khand, deep understanding and contemplation on the message of Guru Bani.
जी
Sarma Khand, contemplating, internalizing the message, we reach the Karma Khand.
जी
We attain higher consciousness जिथे सुरत ऊंची होती है.
जी
We adopted the way of surrender to will of God, truthful living. We enjoy bliss, joy, inner peace, and achieved a balanced life.
Right.
तो गुरु साहब कहते हैं तू करता
मैं हुआ
तू हुआ. Devotee reaches the state of karma, grace, bakshish, God of Satguru. As we mentioned before, I just mentioned before,
जी.
after self-effort, the contemplation, when Sikh realize truth, Sikh do prayer.
जी.
It's very important that, oh God, I was ignorant, full of sins.
जी.
I had no power to realize the truth. It is only through your grace, bakshish, that I have achieved that.
Right.
That been accepted in the house of the Nanak, so that we don't fall victims to the other ego.
Very
so, Mehnat and Ardas are both important.
Absolutely, and that's what it is, that when you do that ardas, when you have that higher consciousness, then only you're going to talk about grace and going to submit. Otherwise, your ego is going to be a stumbling block, and you're going to say that whatever.
back.
Yeah, absolutely, you're going to fall back. So again, over here, what we are finding today is that we need to work on this particular issue on a very larger scale, in a very big scale, because today, if we achieve something, then we say we did it, but if something wrong happens, then we blame it on God.
This concept is very important, that contemplation without mehnat,
Right.
you are not going to be spiritually awakened.
That's right.
But when you have, don't say you did it, you know, then you pray that I had no power to do it, it's only through your
grace.
that
Absolutely.
I have been able to get here, so that you don't fall into another ego, मैं किन्ना धर्मी बन गया है.
Right.
That's your, Guru Sahib कहते तिथे होर ना कोई होर. It says Sikh is in complete harmony
जी.
with the truth. Every action, every thought is according to the Guru Upadesh, way of Gurbani. Pure truth is the way of life. Guru Sahib कहते तिथे जोध महाबल सूर तिन में राम रहा भरपूर. This means here is the highest state of consciousness,
जी.
where you reach that. Guru Sahib says तिथे सीतो सीता महिमा माए ताके रूप न कथने जाए. Baba Nanak is saying Sito Sita means when you become one with God.
जी.
This thing Kabir ji is saying in his one shabd, अब तो जाए चढ़े सिंहासन,
हासन जी.
मिले है सारंग पानी, राम कबीरा एक पए हैं कोई न सके. This is the state of consciousness. Guru Sahib, Sarang Pani, God, Vaheguru, Satguru. Kabir dare to say that I have become one with God.
जी.
There's no difference, meaning that complete conscious transformation. Here and now, bliss and enjoy. ना ओ मरे न ठागे जाए तिनके राम जिनके राम बसे मन माहे. शब्द मारे फिर जीवो सद ही ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਮਰਨ ਨਾਲ conscious death ਆਂਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ. They are internal, no consciousness. ਅਮਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ, ਆਤਮਕ ਮੌਤ ਨਾ ਆਉਣਾ. Never fall from the spiritual path, the truth. ਤਿੱਥੇ ਭਗਤ ਵਸੈ ਕੇ ਲੋ ਕਰੇ ਆਨੰਦ ਸੱਚਾ ਮਨ ਸੋਏ. This is a state of mind. This is a state of consciousness. This is not, Guru is not talking about a place, a town or somewhere above in the heavens.
जी.
Here Guru Sahib is talking about a state of consciousness.
जी.
Kare anand sacha man soy. Nanak is talking about state of conscious man di avastha di gal hai. Guru is not talking about the place above in heavens, Sachkhand, outside of this world.
जी.
Actually, this is a separate topic, Harpreet ji. the Sachkhand.
Absolutely.
And this is the state of consciousness.
Yeah.
And some people I heard saying that I do all these parts and taken an Amrit so that I want to
I can reach
go
that
to,
place.
go to the Sachkhand.
Right.
And when we are talking about the consciousness and the development of the consciousness,
Ji.
this state of consciousness, you know, man di avastha has been described by Bhagat Ravidas ji.
Ji.
I want to share that with you.
Okay.
Bhagat Ravidas ji saying, Begumpura sahar ko nao,
Ji.
dukh ando nahi te thao.
ठीक.
Essence of the whole Shabd is so beautifully described is I have found a place called Begumpura.
जी.
Reach a state of consciousness. Begum means no stress,
जी.
no worries, no anxiety or fear. Ravdas ji saying there's no property or material wealth, there's no tax, no crime, complete harmony. There are all residents are equal, one big family, no discrimination, there's no high or there's no low, and there's no hunger for more and more. In that state of consciousness, complete bliss, inner peace, ecstasy, happiness. This is the eternal.
Right.
I have found this Begumpura. My consciousness has reached at that
state of
level,
consciousness,
and
right.
which we call the
Begumpura.
Sachkhand.
That's
the
right.
Begumpura, the Sachkhand, not a place Begum bina stress, depression.
Right. It's not a place, it's not a city, what many a times people talk about.
Exactly.
It's a state of that consciousness which we have to reach. We'll continue with our discussion after this break. Le liye choti ji break. Choti ji break lene ji, we'll be coming back, and please keep on watching the Harpreet Singh Show. What we have talked about till now is Guru Nanak Sahib is telling us to elevate our thoughts, to reach that state of consciousness where that we are one in attune with God. Let's take this break and come back and continue with this discussion.